Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Can you see how fleshy and soft our crust is and how meaty and moist the filling is? This is called the Nigerian mini meat pie, made with no eggs, no cutter. I can't wait to share the recipe with you guys. Let's get right to it. In a bowl, pour in your flour, add in frozen unsalted butter. Then you're going to mix together until you get a crumbly texture just like this. Don't worry, the ingredients and the measurements will be listed in the description box below. Add in sugar, salt and a little bit of water. Then you mix together. Now you're going to knead your dough. You're not going to knead it too much. And if your dough is sticky like mine, add in more flour while kneading until you get a smooth texture. Now you're going to wrap your kneaded dough in a cling film, wrap it properly and keep it in the refrigerator to chill while working on your filling. Now for your filling, to heated oil, add in pepper and onions, fry together, add in your minced meat. I made my minced meat at home, but you can get yours at the market. Mix together. Then add in Irish potato, carrots, mix. For seasoning, I'm using seasoning cubes, salt, ginger and garlic powder. Mix everything together. Of course, you can use any seasoning of your choice. Now you're going to add in some water to allow to cook. After a few minutes, add in your corn flour slurry to allow your fillings to be less watery and more thick. Now this is what we have. You're going to allow to cool while we work on our dough. Divide your dough into smaller cuts so that it can be easier for you to work with. Now guys, remember I told you guys that I'm not going to be using a cutter for this meat pie recipe. Let me show you how I make my meat pie without using a cutter. First, you're going to roll out your dough nicely just like this. Now you're going to be using a circular plate to make a circular shape on your rolled out dough. Now using a knife, you're going to cut out that circular shape. Can you see how nice that came out? You can trim off the edges. Now I'm going to be putting my filling. You can put in as much as you like, but little enough for you to be able to fold. Now using a fork, you're going to carefully seal your edges, just like this. And there you have it, your no cutter meat pie is ready. You can do the same for the rest. I'm working on my last piece right now and I'm going to be using the same exact method. Please guys, if you're here for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button, and if you're old, like and comment. Thank you so much for your support. Now we have our meat pie ready. Remember I told you guys I'm not going to be using egg in this recipe. So to give your meat pie the shiny look, you can rub in some butter, melted butter or some oil. And there you have it, our mini meat pie is ready. You can make this for your family, you can even use it to start up a business. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.